Introducing the ATC-10 Portable Torque Tester, a compact and versatile desktop solution for your torque testing needs. Designed by AIMCO, this advanced torque tester combines precision, versatility, and user-friendly features to elevate your quality control processes. With a capacity of 10 inch-pounds / 1.13 Newton meters and accuracy better than 1% of the indicated reading within the top 90% of the range, the ATC-10 is ideal for a wide range of applications. It features multiple testing modes, including peak, first peak, and track, providing you with comprehensive data for various testing scenarios. The ATC-10 also supports multiple engineering units, allowing you to select the preferred unit of measurement for your convenience. Easily clear recorded data with the manual and auto-clear functions, streamlining your testing workflow. Choose from different frequency response settings to optimize the tester's performance based on your specific requirements. The ATC-10 enables bidirectional testing with accuracy better than 1% of the indicated reading within the top 90% of the range. Powered by battery and or mains and featuring a serial data output, the ATC-10 is a versatile and reliable tool for quality control professionals. Elevate your torque testing capabilities with the ATC-10 Portable Torque Tester.